Asaytono naman at Lastimosa sa panig ng Sunkist.
Ang contribution dito ni Ildefonso, partner, very minimal. Only 2 points in 11 minutes. Kanya si Racela nakakabuo na ng 8 points sa larong ito. They also have a big edge in assists because of Racela again, no? Racela with 5 assists so far sa larong ito.
Of course, a big letdown has been Nelson Asaytono. Alam naman natin si Asaytonong sinasandalan din ng Sunkist pagdating sa puntos. Daniel Defonso coming out with a big smile here.
Playing hide and seek, partner.
Alam mo si Daniel Defonso Quinitos also coming out of sick bay. Alam naman natin ang nangyari dito. Nagkaroon siya ng kapansanan sa kanyang paa. And he's coming off a surgery.
Bone spurs.
Oh, bone spurs. Pero mahusay na.
Mukhang okay na
And
siya.
in his first game, ipinakita niya na okay na talaga siya.
19 points nga eh.
Oh.
At saka si Vergel Meneses, ganun din. No? He also is coming off foot surgery for bone spurs. Meneses, of course, playing for Barangay Ginebra. Matalik natin na kaibigan niya.
Bago ang lahat, gusto namin uling i-congratulate kayo ni Anthony. Alam mo, hindi natin natapos yung NBA coverage natin. Medyo nawala na kayo sa ere noon. Nung nag-campune ng Elliot, kayo naghahabol ng mga t-shirt at saka cap doon Kaya,
$28 ang bentahan doon, partner. Kaya sabi
eh.
namin ni Anthony, wag na lang.
I'd like to congratulate our world-class team, of course, mula sa Viva Vintage Sports na nag-cover ng ating NBA Finals. Si Quinito Henson and of course si Anthony Suntay. Great job over there sa Staples Center and of course sa Conseco Fieldhouse.
Maraming salamat, partner. Tsaka naka-score din tayo sa Staples Center.
Bye.
Score ng basket.
Yun ang importante doon. Hindi, alam mo, magpapatayo na sila ng rebulto doon. Walang malaraki doon sa Philadelphia. Para kay Quinito Henson. Samantala, dito sa Pilipinas, Stephen Howard, kung ganito ang ilalaro niya, ay maaaring magpatayo na ng rebulto sa San Miguel para sa kanya. He's been dominating so far this game. 18 points. And he continues just to go to the hole. Dahil nakikita niya rin Quinito, wala talagang makapigil sa kanya. No?
Exactly, partner. Parang Shaquille O'Neal din yan. No? Once he gets the ball inside the paint, 2 feet inside that shaded area, wala na talaga makakapagpigil dito kay Stephen Howard. He realizes that he can have his way inside the paint at wala pa nga si Alipik sa loob. Alipik is the only player from Sunkist who can really push him away of the shaded area. At dito sa ating pasimula sa second half, nakaupo nga si Alipik. So you're gonna expect more from Stephen Howard at the post dito sa ating second half with Alipik sitting down.
Inihambing mo siya kay Shaquille O'Neal. Tuloy nagminti siya nung kanyang pangalawang free throw.
Oo nga, no?
46-25. Nevertheless, is our score. It's a 21-point lead for San Miguel at the moment. Lastimosa trying to take charge here. And Howard gets another rebound.
Partner, nakikita natin dito that Joseph Ichigo is dictating the matchup. So he's got Freddy Abuda taking care of Georgia Lastimosa defensively. And that's something that's very important for them. Oh, no space there for Stephen Howard.
It's actually a difficult catch, pero nakuha pa rin niya yung bola. Billy Reyes starting out for Chot Reyes, his brother. Gets back the ball. Locsin is open. Now he moves in. Nice fake and a great move from Noli Locsin.
Well, towards the end of the first half, nagpakita na itong Sunkist that they can also play this kind of game. This kind of basketball game that San Miguel is dishing out.
Oh.
There is a glimmer of hope.
Oh, here's a steal by Billy Reyes.
Coming from the blind side.
Binigay kay Locsin.
Ito, tumatakbo ang Sunkist ngayon.
Asaytono off a great pass by Locsin. So, si Locsin ang nagpapasimulo nito. Quinito, he has 10 points in the game. Now he's coming up with passes and the lead is down to 17.
Ito, may semblance of a full court press ang Sunkist, partner. It's a desperate measure, but you have to start from somewhere. They're playing good defense and they're hustling.
Howard missing that one. Locsin is now guarding Stephen Howard. Carl Thomas goes up. At siya'y makakatanggap ng foul laban kay Freddy Abuda. So as you said, Quinito, there is a glimmer of hope here. Sunkist playing a little more aggressive, picking up the tempo. Here's that steal by Billy Reyes.
At hindi nakita ni Freddy Abuda yon coming from the blind side.
Get that
Beautiful
pass
steal.
by Reyes to Locsin. At si Locsin na magpapasimuno ng fast break. On the firing end will be the bull from the tank. Gandang kombinasyon yan, ang lalaki niyan. Yan, slow mo na yan. Brought to you by PLDT, the power of convergence.
Meron pang screen na binigay ni Noli Locsin for Nelson Asayton. Naku naman, natira ni
Sayang naman ito si Carl Thomas, oh.
And you know, I saw Nelson Asaytono shake his head on the other end of the floor, partner. And he's showing his exasperation, partner. Kung ito nga sinasabi natin, kung nakikita nyo na yung import ninyo, maski na free throw, hindi nakakatira na maigi. Well, finally, making 1 out of 2.
Talagang medyo hahapuin ka ng husto dyan.
Nakaka-apekto sa moral.
Totoo yan. 5 points lamang ang ginagawa ni Carl Thomas. Howard missing another one. That's 2 shots now that he's missed in a row. And Sunkist is now coming back here. They're down by 16. Nice pass, Locsin. Hinamon si Stephen
yes!
Howard, and what a reverse from Molly
Beautiful
Locsin.
shot.
Ngayon, nakikita na ni Howard kung anong klase ang player ng PBA.
Dapat partner, ma-challenge tayo to si Stephen Howard. And he's being challenged right now. When he got the ball at the post, partner, he was double-teamed and he wasn't able to get off a good shot.
Well, the lead is down to 14. There's a foul. Laman kay Nelson Asaitono. Third foul on the ball. But thanks to Nolly Locsin, ito pong Sunkist ay nakabalik na. Here's that last play. Watch the move with the left hand off the glass, and the tank can fly.
Partner, he did that off Stephen Howard.
Exactly.
But you have to credit Billy Reyes, partner. No? He made that pass possible, yung entry pass na galing kay Billy.
Tira sa labas, kumalog para kay Mike Musle. Nahabol ni Daniel Defonso, taking it away from Carl Thomas. Prasela. Sabi niya, dahan-dahanin natin. Abante pa naman tayo ng 14. Ildefonso, sinagasaan si Nelson. Goes inside, yes. Daniel Defonso showing power there in that particular move to restore a 16-point lead para sa San Miguel Beer. But at least the Sunkist is now showing a little more teamwork, intensity, and focus. Traveling laban kay Carl Thomas, just as we spoke.
Nothing going for Carl Thomas, partner. He cannot post up. He cannot score off the dribble. He doesn't have a good jump shot.
Magaling siguro magluto yan.
Mahirap naman siguro.
48 to 32. 16 ang abante po ng San Miguel. Tumira sa labas, 18
Oh,
na.
yes!
So yung San Miguel is
Double
weathering
figures
the
na,
storm.
partner.
Yes.
Double figures na si Olsen Rosella. Ito rin naman si Carl Thomas. Oh!
Hop, skip, and jump, pero wala pa rin. Gets his own miss, and there's gonna be a loose ball foul here against Art De La Cruz. But si Carl Thomas, parang he wants to do it by himself, quickly,
Oh.
and without any help. Hindi pwede yan. And ngayon, hinahapo na rin ng konti itong si Carl Thomas. 50 to 32 is our score. The lead went down to as low as 14 kanina. Pero bumalik na po sa 18. Locsin, hinahanap si Lastimosa na pinopost niyan si Art De La Cruz. De La Cruz is no pushover pagdating sa depensa. Lastimosa missing that one. Thomas trying for the rebound. He's in the paint, kicks it out to Locsin. They have a fresh 24. Reyes takes a long shot. Medyo hindi yata akma pa yun sa panahon na yun.
He had a good look, partner. And they also went for the extra pass.
San Miguel on the attack. They have an 18-point lead. De La Cruz. Ustre goes baseline. Sinagasaan si Asaitono. Inilabas Kirasela. He has had a hot hand. Pero supply ang kanyang tira. Howard with an offensive rebound. And they have a fresh 24. And this is the way they do it, sabi niya. Dahan-dahanin natin. There's the cut of Mustre with the left hand. Supply. Follow-up ni Art De La Cruz. May kakipat lang
And
foul.
one.
Mula kay Billy Reyes.
Iba pa sa mukha ito si Art De La Cruz.
So, balik sa 20 na naman ang abante ng San Miguel.
Good patience on the part of San Miguel, partner, to weather
Excellent
that
words.
storm.
Yes.
Kita mo yung extra pass.
Hindi sila nataranta no?
Yes, extra pass na ginagawa nila. And Stephen Howard looking for the cutter. Hindi niya minadali, partner. It was just single coverage on Stephen Howard. It was only Nolly Locsin, but he didn't want to force it, partner. I think he realized also that the last few attempts that he had on the basket, partner, nagbinti siya, no?
Yes.
So parang naging gun-shy din ito si Stephen Howard.
Art De La Cruz, who only played 5 games in the All-Filipino Conference, averaged only 1.8 points, gets a 3-point play there. At ang abante ng San Miguel, balik na po sa 21, 53 to 32 with 7.5 remaining in the third.
And partner, you notice the respect that Joseph Chico has for Jojo Lastimosa. Kanina nakita natin si Freddy Abuda, their #1 defensive player on Jojo Lastimosa. Ngayon naman si Art De La Cruz, who is also a hard-nosed defensive player
Yes. Meantime, Ali Peak checking in
for Jojo.
for Jojo Lastimosa with 7:27 remaining in the third. A little more muscle inside para sa Sunkist. Locsin takes a 3-point shot. PLDT
yes!
conversion from the tank. So he's doing it from all over the court. Pero kailangan niya ng tulong dito. He has 15 points in the game. No other player sa Sunkist side is at double digits, including their import, na meron namang 5 puntos. The lead is down somewhat to 18, 53-35. Papasok po tayo ng 7 minuto sa ikatlong ito.
Pero partner, lumalaban na ngayon ang Sunkist, no? And here's a double team on Daniel Defonso. Oh, touch passing.
And that will count again. And one play na naman. Si Carl Thomas na naman ang kumukuha kay Howard. Hindi kaya sa loob itong si Stephen Howard.
Oh, partner, he wasn't able to push him outside.
Yes.
Nakita natin ito si Stephen Howard again, getting good position. 2 feet inside the shaded area. Touch pass coming from Mike Bustre. All he had to do was just turn around to make the shot. He didn't even have to put the ball on the floor.
Alam mo, ito si Howard was never billed as a power inside the shaded lane. Sabi nung bago dumating dito, shooter sa labas. But he is showing na he'd much rather play sa loob dahil nakikita niya siguro mas malaki siya sa karamihan eh.
Ang lapad nito, partner. Ito si Stephen Howard. And I think the only one who can push him outside of the shaded area is Ali Peak.
Yes. Balik sa 21 ang abante ng San Miguel. Asaytono almost losing the leather. His pass to Locsin almost lost by the tank.
Titira na to.
Pasok hindi. Hinabol ni Ali Peak. And that'll go San Miguel. There's a turnover laban sa San Miguel Pier on that last sequence.
Good collapsing defense of Sunkist on Daniel Defonso. Tatlo yun kay Daniel Defonso.
Asaytono looking at his import. Now he gets the pass at the low block. Now he'll take a jump shot. And he
Oh,
gets
yes!
it. Nice swing there.
Oh, surprise. Jump shot coming from Carl Thomas na pumasok.
7 points para kay Carl Thomas. He had 13 in his PBA debut. Lead is down to 19.
1-on-1.
Howard picks up his own loose ball. Napunta kay Freddy Abuda. And again si Abuda just hanging around.
May assist pass pa galing kay Stephen Howard.
Ang hina ng interior defense ng Sunkist.
And partner Howard never lost control of the ball, partner. No? He didn't have a shot. He looked for someone to pass to.
Asaytono, wala pa rin. Dami rin problema ni Nelson Asaytono. He's not been able to knock down his shots. And there's a bump foul against Billy Reyes. Billy Reyes will pick up his 4th foul now in the 15th foul. Para sa Sunkist, San Miguel with a 21-point lead and in total control of this ball game.
Ito may turnover na naman ng San Miguel. Sloppy playing by San Miguel in the last offensive. It was not a good pass coming from Stephen Howard.
Arboleda is in the ball game once again. Pinulta niya si
Aba?
Billy Reyes. Nakakadalawa na. From about the same spot, left quarter court. And he has 9 points in the game now. And the lead is cut down again to 19, 58-39. Dating na magawan, si Rosella, but instead tatanggap ng foul si Arboleda. They are in the penalty, so that'll send Olsen Rosella to the stripe.
Another smart play on the part of Olsen Rosella. He was baiting Sunkist to commit that foul para makapunta siya sa free throw line. At alam naman natin ito si Olsen Rosella, very steady yan sa free throw line.
Olsen Rosella ranked 36th in scoring back
Nako.
in the All-Filipino Conference. Nagsalita ka kasi kagad eh.
Hindi tuloy pumasok. He's a career about close to 90% shooter,
Exactly.
partner.
Alam mo, ano lang sa kanya, frustrate ng All-Filipino Conference. He only averaged 2.9 assists per game and he ranked 15th in the league. So, medyo mababa yan for a former National Centennial member.
Oo.
Olsen Rosella. Of course, ang nanguna naman sa pasahan pagdating sa San Miguel, ito si Danny Siegel. Nagtala, Arboleda. Goes up. This is that one. Ali Peak battling. And Abuda wins out. 20-point lead para sa San Miguel. Lago. Ang tagal na depensa, oh. Ildefonso could have attacked immediately. Now he does. Puts up his own miss.
Sa panakako ng offensive rebound.
And nobody challenging
Yes,
dito, ha?
oo. Nung pumasok siya, actually, could have had an easy slam dunk.
Oh. Very loose defense sa loob para sa Sunkist. Hindi sila makakuha ng buwang doon sa lamang ng San Miguel. Samantala, meron na naman pito dito. It's gonna be an illegal defense call against San Miguel. Howard in charge for this one. With 3:37 remaining In the third quarter, tinuturo ni Howard, bantay ko si Ali Pic. Paano ako tatawagan ng illegal defense? Nandun lang naman si Ali Pic. Let's see, this will be a free throw now for Sunkist. Alam mo, there's a difference dun sa illegal defense ng NBA at illegal defense ng PBA na in-explain sa atin ni Romy Guevara yung nagkaroon tayo ng meeting with the PBA
Well,
couple
actually,
of
doon
weeks
sa
ago.
strong
No?
side sa NBA, wala nang
na.
illegal
Exactly,
defense.
no?
Sa atin, meron pa.
So,
You can play any kind of defense on the strong side sa NBA.
so that may be one of the things that Howard is talking about, pero pare ko, nasa PBA ka na. Kaya
Totoo yan.
Jong Wichiko not protesting that particular call. Sunkist getting the bonus free throw. Pero lamang pa rin po ng 21 ang San Miguel Beer. Offensive foul laban kay Arboleda.
Sinayang niya yung pagkakataon because he actually made the basket. Chotres is just walking away from the action, going to the end of his bench.
Parang bangungot pa lang
He
ito
looks frustrated,
Oo.
partner.
And if he can only wake up from this nightmare. Victoria drops it off to Howard, who loses the leather. Picked up by no one, goes to Carl Thomas. Abante si Noli Locsin, no pass. Thomas not looking downstairs. Arboleda will take a long one. Yes! That's a two-point shot. He stepped on the line.
Yes,
Almost a three-point shot.
kamontik na.
But still a good shot from Winnie Arboleda. Mabaan lamang sa 19, 61-42. Less than 3 minutes to play in the third.
And San Miguel Beer actually lapsing into a lot of errors dito sa ating third quarter. Howard is also not shooting well.
Magandang
misses
depensa
again.
ni Ali Pic Howard. ha?
Yes. Actually, nasa labas si Howard at his shot now is being challenged.
Here's Arboleda again. This time he'll take a three.
Yes!
That's
Pumasok!
a field
Tatlo, tatlo!
3-point shot for Winnie Arboleda. He's strung up 5 points in a row. At ang lamang na San Miguel down to 16.
Ito yung spark plug na hinahanap ni Coach Reyes. Lumitaw na in the person of Winnie Arboleda.
Abuda nilaglag ni Howard. Dipsy-do move. Wala. Gets his own miss. Challenges the entire defense and gets the basket. What a move from Stephen Howard.
Ayan ang power ng isang dominating import, no? Si Stephen Howard getting the offensive rebound. There was an umbrella-like defense. Still, he got the shot up.
Locsin, laban kay Ildefonso. Jump shot. Yes! Lori Locsin now leading Sunkist in scoring. 17 puntos na ang ginagawa ng tangke. However, a minute and 48 remaining sa third quarter. Howard with a total of 24 and 13 boards. Ildefonso nasa gitna. One-handed shot. That's a patented move. Mula kay Dan Ildefonso.
Partner, nakita natin kanina, no? Si Ali Pic pushing Stephen Howard away from his comfort zone. That's what he needs to do. Kanya, parang nawawala na sa offensive flow ito si Stephen Howard. Pic is doing a good job pushing him outside of the shaded area.
Locsin, muntik na mabitawan ng dribble. Binigay kay Henry Fernandez. 4 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Nagmadali si Henry. Supply and rebound. Mapupulot ni Howard. That's his 14th rebound. Baseball pitch.
Oy!
Hindi man lang nakatingin.
Oh, pero nahawakan yata ni Arboleda.
Might be. Just
Oo.
might be. A lucky break para sa San Miguel Beer. Well, they've been good and lucky. That's why they're on top by 18. Minute and 6 seconds remaining dito po sa ating third quarter. Panoorin muna natin ang ating 105-15 USA Collect Fast Break. Rosella to Ildefonso nung first quarter, and you just saw our 105-15 USA Collect Fast Break. Well, ito San Miguel. Dinodumi na ang Sunkist so far in this game. 65-47 ang ating talaan. Pero at least ang Sunkist nagpapakita ng konting buhay ngayon. Nasa labas si Arboleda. Humik, lumapit, jump shot. Matulis yung tira niya.
They were setting up Arboleda, partner, no?
Yes. Uy, mali yung pasa. Akala niya si Howard yung tumatakbo. Napunta kay Carl Thomas. Thomas goes inside. Bumps Howard. Nice move. Gets Howard out of the way. And the lead is down to 16 with half a minute remaining here in the third.
Ito si Thomas, nagpapakita ng konting opensa dito sa ating third quarter.
Aba, 11 points si Thomas. Ito dito sa third. Abuda nasa labas pa. Not much time remaining in the game clock. Cross-court pass. Mustre bottled up. Loses the leather. Oh, and draws the foul. Mula kay Noli Locsin. Yan ang malas. Paubos na yung oras.
Sa panatawagan ng foul.
Nasa penalty pa ang Sunkist.
Partner, kanina nakita natin, Howard is not in a good position any longer to make his turnaround shot. No? Ali Peak is doing a great job. Ang layo na ni Howard, no? Once he has possession. Kanya, he's looking to pass now rather than score.
Mukhang nakakita na ng kombinasyon si Coach Chot Reyes na gagawa ng puntos
Yes.
at babantay.
Na-neutralize sila si Howard, partner. And then they're getting a good spark from Winnie Arboleda
And Noli Locsin.
and Noli Locsin. Na wala pa nga sa laro dito si Nelson Azaitono at saka si Lastimosa, nakaupo pa.
That's right.
So ano pa kaya kung pumutok si Lastimosa at saka si Azaitono in the fourth quarter?
Samantala si June Carmona has checked in for Stephen Howard with 9.5 seconds remaining here. So Howard gets his first taste of rest.
And that's a good move on the part of Joseph Luchico. Smart move. Yan ang parang ginagawa din ni Phil Jackson to rest Shaquille O'Neal with seconds to go. They gave up the foul, partner.
Wala pa sa penalty ang San
Wala pa sa
Miguel.
penalty.
Victoria with his first foul, only the third team foul of this San Miguel beer team. To 5.3 seconds remaining. May oras pa to, parang Sunkist ay makalapit. Closest that they've been in a while has been 14 points. They're down by 17. Behind the back pass, and that will put down the lead to 15 points. They call it a play Loctite. Yun lang yung masamang mark ng Sunkist ng first quarter. Oh. Pero pataas sila ng pataas kinito. Ha?
Well, especially in the third partner, the third period partner, no? Itong Sunkist outscoring San Miguel 26-21.
Kaya naman bawi sila lang konti sa lamang kanina ng San Miguel.
Oo, at hindi binago ni Coach Chot Reyes ang kanyang kombinasyon on the floor.
Yes.
It's still Arboleda who's calling the shots.
Henry Fernandez coming out of a screen.
All game long, partner, Coach Chot Reyes was looking for a point guard who can put some semblance of sanity sa offense ng Sunkist, no? And Arboleda is the man who has answered his call.
Indeed. Of course, si Noli Locsin has been the scoring machine in this ball game para sa Sunkist. He has 19 in the game. It's been a while, ha?
Yes, 13 na lang ang lamang ng San Miguel.
Totoo yan. This is the closest that Sunkist has come to that lead. Another miss by Howard. Now he's complaining. Finally, he gets a T here. As Ali Peak is put on the cuffs kay Stephen Howard.
Great defensive job by Ali Peak, partner.
Referee Chua slapping a technical foul on Stephen Howard, and unless he stops talking, he just might get another one. Jongo Wichico knows it. At ngayon si Henry Fernandez ang pupunta sa free throw line. Maganda yung punto dito as we take a look at Jongo Wichico walking up and down ni ating head of statisticians si Fidel Mangonon Pinito. Parang ito daw San Miguel Beer team na ito ay nagpapaalala sa atin dun sa overachieving Beermen lineup ni Ron Jacobs back in 1997 nung wala pa po si Danny Siegel, si Nick Velasco at saka si Rob Duat. Ito rin yung mga same players na hindi naglalaro para sa San Miguel ngayon.
Oo.
Of course, si Nelson Azaitono was then playing for San Miguel. Now, ironically, he's with Sunkist.
Now, you call this stepping up, partner, no? On the part of the San Miguel Beer players, they really have to step up at wala nga sina Siegel, etc.
Aba, that's a PLDT three-point shot from Fernandez, and don't look now, the
Sampo
lead
na
is
lang.
down to 10. Sabi nga natin at the end of the third quarter, you'll never know.
Actually, we mentioned that at the end of the first half.
Yes.
That nagkaroon ng glimmer of hope itong Sunkist
Here's a
because
near steal.
maganda yung pinapakita ng Sunkist. And you just have to be patient. Take it 1 point at a time. And Ali Peak has neutralized si Stephen Howard. That's the key, partner. That has
Oh.
been the key. Tapos si Arboleda orchestrating sa kanilang opensa.
Nakita mo sa ginawa ni Ali Pic. Well, bago yan, panoorin muna natin ang ating CMG swipe of the game. Ito po yung agaw ni Freddy Abuda laban kay Ali Pic. You've just seen the CMG swipe of the game brought to you by CMG of Australia, reinventing healthcare with the CMG Health Swipe Card. Alam mo yung depensa kanina ni Ali Pic, and I just can't help notice that one. He was overplaying Howard going dun sa kanyang strong side, which is his left hand, no? And Howard instead went to the baseline. Parang nagulat si Ali Pic dahil may galaw din pala to with his right hand, no?
Yes, that's what we were saying kanina, partner. No? Mahirap ng pasahin ang galaw ni Stephen Howard because he can go left or right, although he's a left-handed player.
Yes. Now a little pressure sa backcourt as Howard increased San Miguel's lead to 12, 68 to 56. A lot of time here. Arboleda faking, coming closer, goes straight to the basket and a power move from Winnie Arboleda, who has scored a total of 7 now, all in the second half. What a yeoman's job para kay Winnie Arboleda.
Ito yung sinasabi natin, yung sorpresa ng Sangkis, no, for San Miguel. They're showing what they can do here late in the game. There's a double team.
Oh!
Howard and still
Wow.
manages to make that shot. Dalawa na yun.
How he
Dalawa
got
nakasampay kay Stephen Howard.
exactly how he got that up and in is just unbelievable. But on the other hand, si Winnie Arboleda, well, alam mo, sinasamantala niya yung pagkakataon na ibinibigay sa kanya na ngayon nawala si John Ordonio and he's the starting point guard. He's certainly playing. Let's watch this last shot of Stephen Howard, double teamed by Carl Thomas, and the power of Stephen Howard displayed in that particular play. And that slow-mo brought to you by PLDT, the power of convergence. This 30-second timeout, Inito, is just brought to you by San Miglite.
Mukhang na-challenge na partner si Stephen Howard on that play. And that's really what we've been wondering. What happens if Stephen Howard meets his match pound for pound sa loob ng court? Once he's challenged, will he be able to show the same kind of dominance?
Wag naman sana kagaya ni Mike Tyson na nangangagat.
Kawawa yung tenga ni Alipik.
70-58 is our score. 12 po yung abante ng San Miguel, pero kanina po lumamang ang San Miguel ng 23 puntos sa 39-16. That is the biggest lead of the ball game. Kaya malaki na ang hinabol at inakyat ng Sangkis dito sa laban na ito. Behind Arboleda, of course, with 7 points in the second half, and led by Noli Locsin with 19 points in the ball game. Thomas binomba, nasapal ni Ildefonso ng bahagya, napunta kay Locsin. Outside shot by Fernandez. And that ball will go out of bounds. Pupunta sa panig ng San Miguel. Sayang yun. That would have been a big shot. John Reyes up on his feet, shouting instructions. Rosella na muli nagtitimon sa panig ng San Miguel. Lago. He has not scored heavily today, unlike his first game laban sa Barangay Ginebra. Cross-court pass. Ildefonso kicks it out to Lago. Jump shot. Offline. Rebound ni Carl Thomas. Thomas with 12 boards today. Arboleda. Binangga si Rosella. Offensive foul. Laban kay Winnie Arboleda.
Madali si Winnie Arboleda, partner. Kahawig ito ni Pido Harencio.
Oo, totoo yan. Pero iba yung paglalaro niya style. Although pareho silang malakas yung sige-sige. Siguro kasali ito ng mga barkadang ganun. Pero ito si Winnie Arboleda ibang klase Malakas ang katawan, mabilis. Tapos walang takot Parang si Pido rin no?
Alam mo, nakatakan siya ni Jose Rosella in that play.
Oo. Lago. Binalik ka Rosella. Pumaposte si Howard. There's the double team. Natrap pa yung Mustre. Sinalubong siya ng dalawa. Inilipas kay Ildefonso. 7 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Traveling against Danny Ai.
Maganda na ang depensa ng Sangkis, ha?
Oh.
No open looks now for San Miguel. They double Howard once he's at the post. At hirap pang San Miguel to look for the open man. Maganda ang rotation ng depensa ng Sangkis.
And now, Sunkist will call a timeout here. Trying to make sure about this one. Although marami pa po tayong oras. 8 minutes and 36 to be exact. This will be a full timeout para sa Sunkist. They've cut into that lead. It's down to just a 12-point ball game. 8.5 remaining. Arboleda attacking the defense. Missing that one on that layup. Rosella nagmamadali. 2-on-1 fast break. Rosella all the way to the basket. Sablay. He's down on the floor. Picking himself up though.
2-point guards missing layups. Arboleda. At saka si Olson Rosella on the other end.
Rosella's okay. Locsin, sinaksakan si Howard. Sumabay ka pa. And the tank just smothering Stephen Howard here. Lead is down to 10.
Pwede pa to, partner.
Malayo pa
The
to.
way Sangkis is playing, the way San Miguel is playing so poorly.
All of a sudden, nawala yung fluidity ng opensa ng San Miguel. Howard forcing that one. Sablay na naman. Thomas gets the rebound. Take a look at some numbers here. The difference from the first half and the second half performances.
Kapalitag na, partner. Sangkis shooting 56% here in the second half, and San Miguel here 45%.
It started out like a walk in the park para sa San Miguel. Ngayon, nahahamon na sila ng hustong-husto. Although double digits pa rin yung lamang nila. Howard with a total of 16 rebounds, 28 points, but he has only scored 11 so far in the second half after scoring total of 18, no, correction, 10 points in the second half, 18 in the first.
Ito mo yung double on Stephen Howard. And he's not able to repost, partner. No, he goes outside instead of reposting. Oh, what a terrible shot.
That was blocked partially by Thomas. Lead pass, nice pass. Thomas with a great catch. Nagbula na naman kay Arboleda yon. And the lead is down to 8. There are rumblings on the ground. And they're being made by Sunkist. Alam nito ng San Miguel, they will sue for time.
They're doing this without the Saitonen and Castinosa.
This is a 20-second timeout, it seems. So tayo po'y mananatili. This 20-second timeout is brought to you by San Mig Light. Eksakto 7 minuto po ang nanalabi sa ating laro. All of a sudden, kinito nabuhayan itong Sunkist. Nag-iba naman ang laro ng San Miguel. Ang ihip ng hangin dito sa PBA, ang bilis mag-iba.
Yung
Pero
momentum shift.
again, anong ginawa ni Chot Reyes dito kinito? At biglang ibang-iba na ang paglalaro ng Sunkist.
Well, nasabi na natin kanina, partner. Number one, they've been able to neutralize Stephen Howard. Ali Peak has done an excellent defensive job, keeping him away from the post.
Well, pasok muna natin itong ating no fear slam dunk. Ito po yung nagawa kanina ni Carl Thomas, ang Sunkist import. Head and shoulder fake, then a slam jam. That was a no fear slam. Face your fears, live your dreams. Well, you're very right, Kinito. Si Ali Peak has done a marvelous job on Stephen Howard. And of course, their offense beginning to really click on Sunkist.
At saka yung orchestration partner ni Winnie Arboleda.
Lagos mula sa tabi. Wala. Rebound ni Arboleda. Here come the Sunkist Juicers. Nilaglag kay Thomas. Oh! Putik na mag-travel yan, but he gets the basket anyway.
Kamontik na. But pumasok yun and that lead is down
Oh my.
to just 6.
What a comeback here for Sunkist. They trailed by as many as 23. Howard is down. Taken down by Ali Peak actually. Alam mo, walang atrasan si Ali Peak. Maniwala ka. Ali Peak though will pick up his 3rd foul now. But again, itong Sunkist, pambihira ang resurrection. As late as the 3rd quarter.
Alam mo, partner, they never lost hope.
Yes.
Ito, kamontik pa nag-travel ito si Thomas. But he got the job done. He got the 2 points.
Sunkist was trailing by as many as 15 early in the 4th quarter. Now we're down to about half the quarter in the 4th. And they're down by just 6. Another miss by San Miguel.
Well, tingnan natin ang formation ni Coach Joseph Vichico. He's got a lot of shooters on the floor because they see that they're doubling Stephen Howard and Howard is looking for the kick-out shooters.
Umangat si Carl Thomas. Hindi tumama sa basket yung kanyang tira. But the ball will stay with Sunkist.
Sinasabi ko kanina, partner, yung perimeter shooters ni Coach Joseph Vichico, he's got Boy Bits at saka si Racela playing together
With
along
Mustre.
with Mustre.
Yes.
So 3 potent 3-point shooters. Ito yung angat ni Carl Thomas, partner. There should have been a foul on Howard.
Somewhere
Howard should have been called for a foul. There's no doubt.
And now there's a technical foul.
Si Chot naman na natawagan ng technical foul.
Siguro
He
nagre-reklamo
must have
nga
been
siya. Yes.
protesting. Partner,
About that particular
that
play.
was a foul on Howard, without a doubt.
Chot Reyes slapped with a technical foul. And now Chot Reyes pointing something to referee Benji Chua.
Ito, patuloy natin itong crossover.
Ganda ng lusot eh, oh. And then Howard
Well, there was
bumping
contact,
into Carl
without a
Thomas.
doubt, oh. Partner Howard did not leave his feet from the ground, no? But his body leaned in the direction of Thomas. Kanya, he should have been called for the foul. There was no doubt. Thomas did not make that basket because of the contact from Howard.
Well, instead, nagkaroon ng free throw on San Miguel at naiangat nila ang kanilang abante sa pito. Locks in, turning around, missing that one. Rebound to Stephen Howard. 5 minutes and 46 seconds remaining. Ang Sunkist now making its major run.
Partner Freddy Abuda quietly slipping back into this game in place of Mike Bustre. They need it for defense.
Double team, kick out play. Victoria pulls the trigger. Yes! A big PLDT 3-point shot. Mula kay Boy Beats Victoria. What a time to come.
Partner, I think Joseph and Chico realizing that they cannot get points from inside from Howard, and that's why he's surrounding him with perimeter gunners.
At nagdi-deliver naman yung kanyang mga tirador sa labas. Morbits Victoria restoring a 10-point lead. Malayo yung 3-point shot na yun. Mabawiin sana ni Henry Fernandez. No need to rush here. There's still a lot of time.
Nagmadali si Henry at that time.
Less than 5 minutes remaining here. Naibaba na ng Sunkist ang abante sa 6 na puntos na lamang. Pero ngayon, umangat na uli sa 10.
Dito mo yung formation naman na ginawa ni Stephen Howard. Oh, he's blocked inside.
Goes up, gets the basket.
Strong move, partner.
And one.
And Howard, partner, realizing that kung pumaposte siya, partner, nadodouble team siya, and he has no position to be able to get the shot. Kanya ang ginawa niya, he went outside, he invited the single coverage, and he drove strong to the hole.
Actually, nasapan pa pala yung tira niya ng board eh.
Oo.
Tapos nakuha niya mismo. And Carl Thomas will pick up his 5th foul on that particular play.
But a great adjustment offensively for Stephen Howard when he went outside to get the ball and drove strong to the hole rather than getting the ball with his back to the basket at the post.
3-point play not completed by Thomas. Pero ang abante po ng San Miguel, balik sa 12, 76-64. Pinasok na muli si Nelson Aceitono, a long rest for the Bull.
At wala pa si Giorgio Lastimosa.
Exactly, looks in.
He's been hot all night.
Thomas
Maybe a
takes the
three-point
PLDT 3-point shot, air ball.
Woo! That had no chance.
Sayang,
Absolutely no chance.
4 minutes and 15 seconds in the final quarter.
Howard again back to his position at the post. No double.
Look at his move. Very smooth. Pero that time his shot, tumama sa kanto.
Alam mo, partner, nagulat yata si Stephen Howard that he was double. I think the reason kung bakit hindi nag-double is because Sunkist doesn't want to give up the 3-point shot.
Samantalang Sunkist taking a lot of 3-point shots. Courtesy of
Thomas should not be
Thomas.
taking those shots, partners. Sinasayang ni Thomas itong pagkakataon ng Sunkist to come back. They need the ball in the hands of Ali Pic at the post or Nelson Aceitono or Noli Locsin, not Thomas taking the outside shot.
he was more effective
Eto
cutting
na
to
naman.
the basket. Another PLDT 3-point shot. Nothing there. The tap goes to Ildefonso. And they have a fresh 24 to waste. 3.5 remaining in the ball game. Bounce pass inside. Datapik ni Arboleda. Napulot ni Locsin and there's a foul by Freddy Abuda. That's only the first team foul of San Miguel. They have preserved their fouls. And San Miguel has weathered the 4th quarter storm. Meron pa kayang ibubuga San Miguel? We'll find out. In the meantime, itong laban na to, it's been a parang ano eh, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde itong Sunkist eh. One moment they're playing lousily, the next moment they're excellent. Then all of a sudden they're just back into their errors and miscues.
Well, kanina nakita natin a forced shot by Nelson Aceitono and earlier 2 poor shots by Thomas.
Yes.
And
Mababa
Giorgio
na ang
Lastimosa,
oras.
partner, hindi na binalik. Ha?
Totoo yan.
And I think Sunkist needs Giorgio at this stage. They need his leadership. Ang the stretch na to, partner.
Oh,
Giorgio Lastimosa is a 4th quarter player.
Exactly. In the meantime,
Baka
there's a
naman he's
foul.
hurting.
Mare. Musra picking up his 3rd foul on that last play. 2.5 remaining. Dito po sa ating final quarter. Dahan-dahan na nauubusan ng oras itong Sunkist Juicers. Locsin. Hinahamon si Ildefonso. Cross-court pass. Naku, Thomas will take another long one. Wala pa rin. Ali Pic gets the offensive rebound and puts it back in.
Alam mo, partner, ang dilema din ni Coach Chot Reyes kung ipapasok niya si Giorgio Lastimosa. Sino naman ang papalitan niya?
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Hope, the largest selling luxury cigarette. Totoo yan, Kinito. Especially since Arboleda is playing well.
Yes, Noli Locsin is also playing well. Aceitono, well, he's playing another position.
That's a tough shot from Stephen Howard, but again, he's just shaking his head. Sabi niya, I'm not gonna be stopped. Well, he hasn't been stopped in this game. 32 points today para kay Stephen Howard. Kasama na ng 19 na rebounds. Another turnover here.
A good tap by Stephen Howard on that defensive play.
Ildefonso, get out of the way! Get out of the way!
Ayan, palagay ko, it's the nail in the coffin. The last nail in the coffin. What a slap dunk!
That is a slam jam, no fear slam.
Piniti pa niya sarili niya, partner, before he elevated for that slam dunk.
Alam mo, ramdam na yun eh. Hinihingi niya talaga yung pasa. Eto, babawiin ni Alipik. But it just may be a little too late now for Sunkist with only 1 minute and 14 remaining.
Well, Sunkist made the run, partner.
Yes.
They had a chance. They brought that lead down to 6.
Naubusan lang, parang tumirik eh, no? At ang San Miguel naka-recover in time.
Well, also they didn't play it smart, partner, no? When Thomas took those two ill-advised outside shots, tapos yung porsadong tira ni Nelson Asaitono, and sabi ko nga, no? It's in situations like this where you need the leadership of Jojo. Where is he?
Uh-oh. And there's another slam jam. Well, it's slamming time here. Puro no-fear slam ang ginagawa dito ng San Miguel. And they're well on their way to their second win. 82-68 na po.